Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add ChatGPT Google Chrome extension. First of all, open a browser and search here ChatGPT Google extension. Open the second URL and this is the specific extension we are gonna add to our Chrome. Once it's added, click on the puzzle icon and make sure to pin the ChatGPT. And after that, if I search anything on my Google here, the ChatGPT Google extension will generate the answer here. So this is how we can use ChatGPT Google Chrome extension. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.